Think drone delivery in China just bombs your head with scalding hot coffee? Relax, you aren't dodging flying lattes. Shenzhen has already quietly nailed over 700,000 commercial drone drops. Here is exactly how tourists are ordering coffee from the sky in random public parks. Can tourists even use this? Yes. Scan the smart locker with Alipay. It's fully in English and takes your regular foreign visa. This entire sci-fi airdrop costs an extra 50 cents. That's basically free shipping from the future. 15 minutes later, it lands on the roof kiosk. Punch your code, and the real test. Did it spill? Thanks to specialized locked-in cup holders, the latte art is flawless. Zero spills. And finally, you just fold the custom delivery box and drop it straight into the recycling slot right next to the kiosk. Honestly, anyone can scan a QR code. But knowing which specific park bench gives you this exact drone drop with the perfect skyline backdrop, that takes local intel. At Asia Odyssey Travel, we curate these exact futuristic flexes into your itinerary. Tag someone who owes you a drone coffee and pause right here for the exact park coordinates.